Abusuafo mo fa nche yen prekope mo ante yen ka na mo TV na ni yesum mo ansere na me kan po na me kan teacher fo dia na me kan se mfomso tumi ba mfidie ho adwuma enti brofo a me producer de ma me no technical H ene bae tie pa mo chew enye eboapayo ye nam sa kwan so pa owura Peter Boama wotu kono deputy general secretary ma NDC so chew efise nana no gusu a wokasa ye di nkomo na ade a eba prekope putu purade enti na enye eboapayo enti we di mo nidie mu a momfa enche yen yaka ne se wie ne die akosia ebebo nkrata no ba kwa na mienu bi so na afi ya to aso afi ho obapa
onia
boso ne enko wati
yo ya me boso kra mane how ye we twa ne taw na it say na pause yes I mean fa daily graphic em famra na daily graphic asema ode ato anim ha say na no ode papa ano a eden ene se oman no hwiri sika bebre kwa sika wo hwiri no be se 3 million Ghana cedis o pepepep yensa busumi bia e na wo hwiri ni nyina no eye mfaso a yenya no international calls say ye calls ahodo wo frɛ obi wa amanone a ene sa de ye frɛ no sandbox fraud womo a enei wo hwɛ ye tetefu so womo timi wia sika efiri so na womo ede akwakọ to womo ankasa foto no womo no mabusuafo adie no eno na enei daily graphic ebo amane se se wo hwɛ efiri afimpinu ni edu mienu eba no a sika nanke yenya no keka aka bomu na ye bese 222 million Ghana cedis eso ne ya ye kasei eso ati se ehu ama aba be gina 56 million ama Ghana aboka nti busumi bia no sika ye hwere eno no na uhuri ebegina se ha na oche se sesi aye kasa die na otwe mienu ntam no nyame ayadom ama ya che se nipa bonfo ya chichi bia fine miamia ba bia ya chichichi wo mo no eye Alaji Tabora Nunwa afa ye Wudomi estate ena mamprobi ya chichi no na oba aka ho ma nso ankaja ke nim se ma de nka ya na abada ye kakra wo mumu no eno no ye chi oba e de ka ho a eno so de ho asem e de aba e wo daily graphic mu kratafo etosu edu ensia e na maba gina e wo daily graphic mu wakasa edefa accreditation board ho accreditation board no mo chese efri afimpinu ne aduonu kro no private universities ahodo suapon a ye ankrankran de no wo mo kwa akoye audit wo saa omo audit wo mo kwa akoye nyina ne se lectures na chechefo no mo wo ho no ye kwa akohwe wo mo nkrata asemu obi wo ho a ya kase lectures no nipa no qualify na afa no na enso so e wo so mutum di wo mani di akire wo mo chese afimu wo mo kọ aban adie no mu ko bisabisaye e ko hwehwe wo mo nyomam e hweye se ampane ampa accreditation board wo mo adwuma wo mo eye no e koso ana e hwehye ya ye de ama universities ahodo wo mamu ne no so e no mu gina wo mo ye na na ama no so wo de ho asem e de aba mi begina akire ha sei ewo daily graphic mo aposifo mo nkramantam ase wo mo achi enipa maako du a wo ya kronfo aremfo mo di tuo kwa kronbo wo mo tisi usu no mo di tuo si usu a wan hwe yi a wo be dwonso ho etuo si usu ye se ye gi bibi wa ba hu se nyame yodo na eno o chese wo mo kwachi no wo mo chi ewura bi na akwada atuane no fo ano ye kasa ne kese wa wo foforo wo mo chi no adaye a ne kunu e kan akronfo ne hu bi ti omo kono mo kochichichi wo mo no so ka ho nti ache no e de aka ho nipa du wo mo chi obi a onim hunhum asem spiritualist e ka ho se wo mo kokoro no bo no a e ya wo obi o ya aduro mo mo eti sa aposifo oba wo mutimite se e wo so mo yira na o ma yira e wo so mo do mo sabo mata so se pam na BBC a na asi enti eno so wonom ache na wo mabobo obodi na we eye posipanyina wo nkramantem asei eye Owura Frederick Anim e na ode asemito sentrofo Anim echechire mu gang no be ahodo be miensa de dika de toso mienu e na ba ko on de contract ro no nko aye na adwuma enti eno so wo de ho asem e de aba e wo daily graphic mu anopei enti ya se me fa ba ko nka ho anase nka me fa teacher for de nka ho ba ko
illegal no yes. Okay, go back to classroom
fast yes, go back enti katafa to students ya no na me di ewie na eno na Ghanaian Times de obokrata de aba National Labour Commission eno mo e ka kira chechefo nyina say go back to classroom. Go back to your classrooms. Monkona moko kira de nyesa ye betimi yayi modi. Na National Labour Commission kira say wo mo kokotena ase enti omo chairman eye Owura Andi Kwabena Asamoa e na wo mo ne mpanimfo kokotena ase edwendwene ho say na ye dan na chechefo wo no go say de na ya ebisa question say ya na mo wo hefa ansa na asem na sie no na no say juice for de mo call strike and sana mo be mwa enti wo mo call ye no ekoba se wo mo hwehwe se National Association of Graduate Teachers NAGRAT afa Ghana National Association of Teachers NAT and a Coalition of Concerned Teachers CCT for no kiali mo omo nkrofo no afa ye se ehwe omo ayehu omo the class enjofo na efre omo ye nya omo enti mpanifo no kwotena ase no na aye Ghana Education Service afa Ministry of Education and Fair Wages and Salary Commission for and omo na NLC kwotena ase afa de ehwe omo a omo anko enti mpanifo si gina ye se omo hwe emra ni mu a woma afom mra no nti anhwe ye beyi wo madi to omo nsan kọ omo mpe koka bia Ghanaian Times de enne ode ebaaye no
mo waya de beda senti de be ya ne se be kwa kodi agro na enkwala mienu ite ho twen se ombeti omudi ansa na omako school empesa ombeka se ma wa me ya strike one cantem enti happy birthday to you Anim Kekeli Oheneba. Today is your birthday. Age and grace, wisdom and power and strength, and may you become an outstanding man. From your uncle Fusu, and then happy birthday to you, Henry Randolph, Mom. You are 2 years today. God bless you, make you great, and make you mighty. May He make you a mighty man of valor, like Gideon. Okay? So happy birthday, Henry Randolph, Mom.
Now, Prince,
yes, Sister Kusia.
You're sending at 4 a.m. no?
Makaiwo. Wona wa ya de no. Yes, I just 1% we be fin ka 4 am ka na 4 am no wakodi ase pa baby. 4 am no.
4 am yes, 4 am
say e wo ba ko ne so.
Yes, because me na am 4 am pa.
The princess no ma adwuma na. Any happy birthday to you, Carrie Stone Hey, I'm the dimba. I'm fa de betimi abom na.
Mo nya no voice note nso.
There be empe voice. Mo fa de betimi abom na we di we am ya breso.
Yes, o mu nchichem.
Yeah, mad da. So happy birthday to you, Caristiona Valerie Chenebua Chei Bafof Eden Academy Asokwa. Hey. Hey. Happy birthday to you, Caristiona Valerie Chenebua Chei Bafo Eden Academy Asokwa Kumasi from your dad Thomas Chei Bafo UTV Kumasi and mom Millicent Edujemfi Amakum. God bless.
Kola keto adin bafu
na wo ma me no papa to Thomas when ya ye Lydia ne Mary ni Grace ni Hega
ne dan na no ne
akofa R Caristiona eno no R na wo
Caris ye ba ko
na Valerie no so R ne L
hwe no wan say phone no
dia me dia to wo why Thomas hey edi ma do beso so dia ka no be fa fio
enti me hwa matade wo
mate sister
abusia for matade ye hye media said de mu amunim no eye DCJ clothing yay so be pam bia Eric na Eric pe kaftan emema no eya monfre DCJ clothing owo Instagram wo bo DCJ clothing na owo ho ne entire fe kama ema no monso monfre ni bi emema no monko no mpam bi ma wo abusuamu ni nyina obepam atade kama e de amamo ye friend DCJ clothing ko Instagram owo ho ne number obetimi afre no e wo so e ye 0558 601881 0558 601881 na wafe ene Desmond ni dino no DCJ clothing or Instagram yeah
and waka social media dey mama so many announcement we
yes
announcement Christmas is around the corner. Accidents take seconds to happen but suffering lasts a lifetime.
Yes.
Helmets and condoms should be worn on appropriate heads during respective rides, especially on vehicles that don't belong to you. This is a public safety announcement.
From where?
Brano descending no because me your friend afraid. In Talamus.
Christmassy. Nyoma mienu. Helmets, condoms,
appropriate head.
Appropriate. Baby esese ekobia no. Wenye ni ebe chirechirem.
Watching me you say on a bitch bra.
Say helmet man
teacher ni na no yere.
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay. Kwa pini teacher ni bia o marking kwala homework.
Okay.
We are kwere abufre kura dan na watwiro yi. Na na yere afren. kwamra hu atwam na mawi aduan
na bedidi oh wait asema ya yet who chairs and snipe ba na wan try dey me try power say na teacher no waja o
that be o see edin no
na ya hye na bufu
ana so say o ni girlfriend bi kwatro ni girlfriend bi ani din de lead ana dan na na waja no nti
eh ya mama teacher ne wan ka din na abofra kura dan na watworo emi hu kwamra ya dan o sa abofra mi hu na watworo kwamra hu atwam na bedi ni mawi aduan
mama ne pasani ya de ohun ntwem se ohun fan so no medidi no didi me akoto ase
wa ko gani ye
oh obi abre no acha ade sa usi ye twem ye pesa ade no
kwamra hu atwam na ma no hu nse grapping for zero o ka no hu
okay
kwamra hu atwam na ma no hu na bedidi
ani akoko tipa
Oguyango yenya sports
Abuza fa mamu na ache ba de Nsroma so sabre ya bra agudi mu nsem na ye de ebra mu de aseda e ma this way chocolate drink so de onya e nsuo hye no mbie sanse koko na wo mu no asori obeye adwuma onya hoɔden ade beye adwuma eno ane this way chocolate drink de onya ne nsuo hye nsuo nso de special mineral water no mbi nsuo gina mu na mo ahoɔden na otumi eye bibia o ya no peye dikan na ye kɔ parliament ni ahwɛ ma hye bedwene ogina ma nsawma draji constituency o kyerɛ sɛ astrotef na aba no eye pa ebebo antigana fo yinsom yi enye se ye ni begya ato hɔ ebe ya ye kakra bo wo kyerɛ fo hwɛ kora wo hu se yinsom yi se de be ya ebebo na teams no nso ehwɛ no mu som bi no mu nya pitches a on players be bo so na atumi akoso yi ediamo
minim sɛ minua pani esiama eso ebo adwuma regional capital so mo ye stadium wo hono but Uba Eastern Regional. Eastern Region is bigger than Koforidua. In some count, I in Swano count, as a man can see a dozen, intino, and Ghana for the Amudia Makuma dia Denechi. What if it's a blaster say Bobo Lashe or Memudina Teddy? Blaster Bobo ne Yadia. Look at the enthusiasm, say the Nipo energy. Me catch us it's million year age now. You would crab if you cross here in Zuha, in here you are. Of course, I know so here, but you're better than crap. But sports we know, as I may in the Congo. I mean, it's a Wembley sports. I didn't know much as you know. Swenny, Tabani, Wanina, Muslim from Antumbi. All of you are stakeholders. So Blasters losing match. I mean, said yeah, Wakumayo. And as any of our national teams, Nansenya, Metro Square, Koya, Kojigui, you know, any anje. But you shall say any year. And then, so Americano, African, you know, your cut team say yarding. Africa. We share Ghanaian teams. They can't be. Kotoko and has since 1911, and with the greatest respect to Obi has in Iwahanamo. With the greatest respect to Has supporters and Kotoko supporters, go to their training pitches. About 1911, and you take club. No? As a Grobin AD, as a concert party, we are just jokers. So you have formed a team in 1911. You don't even have a park you can boast of. The same with Kotoko and all the clubs. Inti yenibre bonya mempa is mo ombeti na supem. Na yemi there speaker so eti na supem reform committee no. Me so be the beni be di here because I have an interested party even though me nka committee no no. Baby bi ombeko bia me di beni be di here say you a very good report. And then the report will be adopted and then it will put some obligation. And yes, be can watra ni janisa. Ye di bibi be to one yeso mo ye adwuma. Ye di be to am so say your mama timelines. Maybe in the next first quarter of you see who no maybe and take my words. Nya dey ba be jaisa dey with this crusade and this campaign. Ebe kutuaso.
Yet also any former players ni actors ni journalists omo ekohie mu esi akan editing mpa krobetomo ene omo nkeka ho fa no mo eka ho ewo akansi a omo si ede atenten omo empom.
Celebrity fan games akansi afibia impenifo my Ghana emu na nyamencha de afi 2019 de no akoso na nina eba ne wie nungwa na ohwe celebrities omusi akan omu ebia ya odabo ono Kumewood star osi akan omu ebi Van Veka ene John Dumelo omunas actors omodimbo esoni epa omuna enso esi akan akansi ahodo course no emu Countryman Songo ono ensentroni no nso esi akan bobo akansi ni emu na nina pu eba ne wie ono anefa best player akansi ni emu bloggers almost all my Ghana emu enso ede team eba ebesi akan e tournament ni emu na nshampion for AN and is bloggers are enso na celebrities and e come ho ebomu e team ba ko edisi akan e bobo akinsi a e course ni emu na ohwe e modern boy celebrities ni bi edanedi e bobo akinsi ni emu a na esuani ye pa ya odabo e chess and pabon onimbo ye pa be hwade phones e support mu du e beta omochi e bobo akinsi a e course no ani na eba ni wie no celebrities and bloggers on team omo ye no omo ana mutumi di nkunuma mpani for the abasopode kese e mo na UTV Sports ye ne celebrities ni bi nso atwetwe nkomo
o amunim say exercise so ayema wakoma na obi bia so obi exercise. Thank you and I had fun.
I'm say yes ujina wa na what fa ko what wa there so at least no you move. You understand any kind of movement is movement is better than say train course. Until let's see what happens. I'm sure say start here. Once I new people in charge, I'm sure they will put things together. I mean, going forward,
mobilizing the use of football is good because also football now you have players, you have supporters, you even have the girlfriends and wives of players and well-wishers of players. I think BBR able to me I bring youth together. Also we say the celebrities about together, the bloggers about together, the other people from all different walks of life about together. So I think it's a step in the right direction.
At the same time, so and my treat young pum obi oba ha bia ni age ejin de media ka organizers a boy man say media course no ye de mun dina se de me pese ye beta to aso an say e de anije ba ekrom.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting to score that many goals. I haven't played football in months, maybe years. Today, my colleagues were fantastic. It's lovely to be here, mingling with all my guys.
Man of the match, ne ya Addo. Addo Bomadian, producer Ora. The PBB man or Bob Emedi. For the PBB Ora. Yet, also near Court Champions League near Share Saturday. Nyami Adma